How to make it look like you filmed your screen? It's pretty easy, so let's do it. Create a composition with video you want to use effect on. I'm going to use the clean video you saw in the start. First of all, you need to create an adjustment layer, which you will use for all the effects. Now find grid effect and add it to adjustment layer. Change size from to width and height sliders, so you can move with the width and height of the grid manually. Set width to 5, height to 5 and border to 3. In color, choose blue. And in blending mode, set soft light. Good job! We need to duplicate grid effect with Command D. Choose red color this time and move a little bit with anchor. Duplicate grid again, choose green color and move with the anchor again. Now we have created a beautiful RGB grid. Now duplicate the grid for the last time, don't worry. Choose black color and set blending mode to darken to see the grid also on white places. Lower the opacity because it's too strong. And we are done with the grids now. Let's use Gaussian blur effect to blur the grids a little bit because it's too sharp now. For color distortion, we will use VR digital glitch effect. Open distortion and set distortion rate to 0, distortion complexity to 1 and geometry distortion to 0. Only what we care about here is color distortion. Set the number what suits to you the best. For me it's 28. See? This also creates this cool effect on the text. And you are almost done. Good job! Video is dark now, so let's play with exposure effect. Set the exposure as much you need to. Let's make the last touch with Optical Compensation. You can set a field of view here to make it more realistic, more crispy, you know? But as you see, this creates these black borders which we do not want to. So just click on reverse lens distortion and now it's exactly as we want to. And let's move to the last bonus tip I got for you. How to create the text distortion as you have seen in the start of the video? Just use bulge effect. It's too easy. Set the radius of the bulge and height of the bulge. Now just move with the bulge center and click on the stopwatch to create the first frame. Press U in adjustment layer to see the keyframe. Now just go to place you want to move with the bulge and set next keyframe. And in the end you can also animate the bulge height to make it normal again. Awesome job! You are done now.